10 signs good luck and fortune may be coming your way soon. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. First and foremost, I'd like to say this to you. I hear people say, I had a student of mine once who said, there's no such thing as luck. And I hear law of attraction gurus say that all the time. There's no such thing as luck. Well, listen, if you and I are in a casino and you have all the knowledge and I have all the luck, I think I'm the one walking out with the most amount of money. You see, I believe that there is such a thing as luck, or however you would like to define it. And guess what? You have the power to create your luck by your beliefs, by your thoughts, by your feelings, and by your actions. When you take those 4 areas of your life and you make them congruent into the direction that you desire, oh yeah, you're going to feel very, very lucky. When I was living many years ago, living in Los Angeles, and I wanted to escape LA, and I wanted to move back to Seattle, and I had $800 in my hand, and that wasn't enough. And I said to myself, wait a minute, that is enough. We can move back there. We'll have enough for a deposit. We'll have enough for our first and last month's rent. We'll have enough money for food for the month and for gas and to find work. How much do I need? And back then, this was 1980s. It was about $3,500 is what I figured I needed. I had 800 of it. I said, simple. We'll stop in Reno on the way up and I will gamble. I'll play blackjack. And for 3 days, I played blackjack. And after 3 days, I walked out with exactly $3,500. You see, was it luck? Or did I create the luck? You have the ability to create opportunities, which may seem like luck. And I'm okay with calling it luck. Other people, no, you can't call it luck. Yeah, I can call it luck. It's okay. It's luck. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 signs that you may already be attracting incredible luck into your life. That something big may be ready to break open for you. So number 1, you love helping others. All of a sudden, maybe you haven't always been this way, but you just love helping other people. And by helping other people, you put yourself in alignment with positive energy, which means more opportunities. And more opportunities oftentimes equal more luck. So keep helping people. Keep paying it forward. What a wonderful thing to do. And by doing it, you're attracting more luck energy into your life. Your vibe is high. Number 2, your vibe is high. Your vibe is high. Like a big, beautiful eagle. And that indicates that you are connecting with source energy, whether you're meditating, whether you're praying, whether you're doing sets of affirmations or rituals, but you are connecting with the very essence of the universe, the very source of life. And when you connect with the very source of life, that source starts to flow through you in an amplified fashion. And all of a sudden, walls come tumbling down. And you just feel like everything is flowing in your direction, that you can't be stopped. You feel lucky. And it's okay to feel lucky. Sign number 3, you keep seeing the numbers 1111, 1111, 333, 444, 777, 888. You see these numbers on license plates. You see them on your receipts. You see them on painted signs. You see them everywhere. And it's an indication that the universe is speaking to you through the law of mathematics. Now, let me tell you, if you're seeing these sequential numbers, things are starting to line up and flow in your direction, in the direction of your dreams and in the direction of your goals. And that's going to feel very, very lucky. Number 4 reminds me of that little train. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I know I can. I know I can. It's positive expectations. For some reason, the work that you've been doing, the videos you've been watching, the books you've been reading, you are developing a life of positive expectations. And that means more opportunities are opening up to you. More doorways are opening up to you. And that indicates, oh yeah, that you're going to just feel like everything is flowing. Everything is moving in your direction. And the more things move in your direction, the more positive you feel. It feels very lucky. Sign number 5 was pointed out to me many years ago. I had a friend of mine who told me, he says, every time I start seeing limos throughout the day, I see limos, those big stretch limos. He says, if I see white ones, it really means a lot of money and prosperity is coming my way. But black ones are good too. And if I start seeing limos several times throughout the day or throughout the week, it's an indication that wealth is coming to me, that something is opening up to me, that a new job may be opening up or something. And he said, Robert, he said, it's always paid off. Every time I see the limos, within a month, some kind of money comes into my life. And I don't know, it's a sign of luck. And I said, luck? Yeah. You've attracted that luck. You've put yourself in a position to receive that luck. And you may not like the word luck, but I think it's a good word. So you see those limos, say, I feel lucky. Sign number 6 is all of a sudden, you just cannot take clutter. You don't want clutter in your room. You don't want clutter in your office. You don't want clutter in your garage. You don't want clutter in your kitchen. You just start, for some reason, there's something inside you that is making you kind of crazy in a way. You want to clear out clutter in junk and stuff you're not using. You're becoming kind of a minimalist in a sort. And that's a sign that you are clearing space. You're creating space for new energy to come flowing into your life. So one of the things I always advise my clients to do is clear away the clutter. Get rid of the stuff you don't use. Get rid of the junk. Make a big trip to the Goodwill and get rid of it. Give it to somebody who will use it and cherish it and appreciate it the way you did when you first had it. And by clearing out that junk and that clutter, you make room for new energy to flow into your life. And that feels very, very lucky. Well, high flyer, sign number 7 is one that you can create on your own. You smell sweet things. You smell amber or rose or other sweet scents. Now, if you're not smelling them, you can start smelling them intentionally. Just by smelling positive scents, your body takes it subconsciously and says, this is a positive scent. This is a sweet smelling scent. This means something. And it creates opportunities for you. It creates pathways through the universe. Scent is a powerful, powerful, powerful way of communicating to the infinite field of potential. So in my house, we always have candles burning. We always have a little bit of essential oils going, or sometimes some incense. But when you just smell it for no reason at all, there's nothing burning. There's no candles. You're walking down the street and all of a sudden, I smell something sweet. What is that? Wait a minute. There's nothing around me. There's no flowers. There's no donut shop. What is that? That is a huge sign from the universe that good fortune and luck are now flowing into your life. Well, sign number 8, high flyers, is that you just are filled with a desire to do more affirmations. And you're doing them not just in the morning or in the evening, but you're doing them all day long. And you're just filling yourself with positive energy, which means that the resistance to your desires and goals it's just getting smaller and smaller and weaker and weaker. And that feels very, very optimistic, but it also feels very, very lucky at the same time. So keep doing those positive I am affirmations on a regular basis. Sign number 9, going to seem crazy to you, but you sit down and you're excited, you feel motivated and happy to pay your bills. Yeah, I said it. You're paying your bills and you're excited because you have money to pay your bills. And more money's coming in. You pay those bills, more money comes in. You pay those bills, more money comes in. And it's just a cycle. But you can set goals and intentions so that each month a little bit more money comes in and goes into your savings first. You know, they oftentimes say that you should pay yourself first and then pay your bills. Anyway, you feel excited, you feel happy paying your bills. It's a wonderful feeling. Number 10, are you ready for it? You have increased intuition. You just seem to know stuff now. I don't know how you know it. I don't know how I know things, but I just know stuff. I just feel it in my energy field. It's nothing I can put my finger on, but my intuition is razor sharp. And your intuition, as it becomes sharper and sharper and sharper, your luck seems to grow proportionally. I don't know. It's kind of a weird thing. So tell me that luck doesn't exist. That's okay. I'll go along with it. Tell me that luck does exist. I'll go along with it. But I do know this. If you have any of these signs, you are increasing your opportunity for luck flowing into your life in a big way. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.